Hello, I'm Brendan Hickey and I'm going to give a talk on the I2C interface project that we did for a temperature sensor. The ADT75 was constructed on a breakout board, soldered on a breakout board, and is connected to or built on a breadboard. The connections of A0, A1 and A2 are tied to ground. This gives the address of the chip as 0x48. If the connections were made different, it would give a different address for the chip. Pins 1 and 2 are SLC and SDA, and they are tied to the breakout board of the PIC. They're connected to a two pull-up resistors, which is connected to VDD, which is connected to the power supply of the PIC itself. The temperature sensor is reading 23 degrees, and when I heat up the sensor, the temperature of the chip should rise. It's rising from 23 up. I'll just get Simon now to talk about the code of the circuit.
Thank you. Hello, my name is Yifan Zhong, and here I'm going to talk about my code in the project. So first of all, this part is set the flag bits, set the SSP flag bits as 0 and the initial value, and here it is the I2C read function and inside chart data back. First of all, I have to enable the I2C as a 1, and the start bits, and the wait is like we have to wait there's waiting between every single steps. So here's the slave write address, and wait again, and wait for the acknowledgement. To enable the receive function and the start data received, send nag and the stop bits, right, and wait after that, and return to the data back function. Here's the I2 start function. This part is set up the I2 initial value, and here is the baud rate as 48, and that's this is our head file for the two codes we have built earlier, and that's our main code here. See, here we have include the head file we have create, and see, here is just our main codes here, the initial value, and start LCD display, start the LCD display wait, and the while one loop is about display the temperature, display the read value, and display the degrees, and the C here. This part is basically the port setup or the outputs, and outputs port B delays. I think that's it. Thank you.